Gamifying crime, or how to engage low-life morons and repackage committing serious crimes as playing games. In most countries of this planet, criminal law recognizes and defines behaviors which harm others in much the same way. Let's take definitions of several of such behaviors from Polish penal code. Those will be very similar or literally the same in penal codes of other countries. Article 276 of Polish Penal Code: destroying or concealing a document without the right to dispose of it. Whoever destroys, damages, or renders unfit for use, or conceals or removes a document to which he has no exclusive right of disposition shall be subject to a fine, the penalty of restriction of liberty, or the penalty of deprivation of liberty for up to 2 years. Article 258 of Polish Penal Code: participation in an organized criminal group or association. Whoever participates in an organized group or association having for its purpose the commission of offences shall be subject to the penalty of deprivation of liberty for up to 3 years. If the group or association specified in Part 1 has the characteristics of an armed organization, the perpetrator shall be subject to the penalty of deprivation of liberty for a term of between 3 months and 5 years. Whoever sets up the group or association specified in Part 1 or 2 or leads such a group or association shall be subject to the penalty of deprivation of liberty for a term of between 6 months and 8 years. Article 190a. Stalking. Anyone who, through the persistent harassment of another person or another person's next of kin, creates a justified sense of danger or significantly violates the person's privacy, is subject to imprisonment for up to 3 years. Deprivation of liberty. Whoever deprives a human being of their liberty shall be subject to the penalty of deprivation of liberty for a term of between 3 months and 5 years. If the deprivation of liberty exceeded longer than 7 days or was coupled with special torment, the perpetrator shall be subject to the penalty of the deprivation of liberty for a term of between 1 and 10 years. Time and time again, I notice hordes of apparently confused or bored low-life morons who, either through their ignorance or stupidity, were sold on the idea that acting like a mob and engaging in criminal behaviors is somehow playing games. Oftentimes, I'm also on the receiving end of such. So, if we're clear on how these are actually called, what penalties for such apply, and if you happen to be part of such animal mob, who you are to me, let's proceed to one of the most recent examples. On May 21st, I sent a package via international priority mail addressed to the European Court of Human Rights, echr. Package contained complete documentation related to complaint being filed, 42 documents in total, fully completed application form, annex to application form section I, list of accompanying documents, annex to application form section E, statement of the facts, all 39 documents listed in section I, list of accompanying documents. Prior to packaging and sending it, I took photographs of all the documents included. Each photograph contained original EXIF metadata. Package was mailed by Polish Postal Service as International Priority Package, tracking number CP235194435PL. The same day, May 21st, I sent to the echr an email with information about application being filed and attached application form itself along with both annexes. Those documents clearly mention which additional documents I'm sending by post. In addition, also on May 21st, I uploaded electronic versions of all documents contained in that priority package to the Dropbox file exchange site, where they are available to this day. In the modified column, the date when they were uploaded, that is May 21st, 2019, it is clearly visible. According to the confirmation of delivery generated from the Polish and French post systems, the shipment was delivered on June 3rd, 2019. To this day, however, I did not receive a signed confirmation of receipt, the orange form AR, which was attached to the package and which was to be signed by the person accepting the package and sent back to me. It is also worth noting that the international priority package between Poland and France took 2 weeks to be delivered. That parcel should be delivered within 1 week. On June 28th, 2019, I found in my mailbox a letter from the echr sent as an ordinary unregistered letter containing a document dated June 20th, 2019, in which the alleged representative of the echr informs me that on the basis of Article 47, they refuse to take on the complaint because documents are missing. Considering that the priority parcel was delivered on June 3rd, 2019, and the ECHR receives thousands of applications, it is an incredibly short time to read all of the documents I enclosed, then issue a decision and having sent out. Most importantly, all those supposedly missing documents mentioned in the ECHR letter I received were included in the parcel I sent, are clearly listed in section I, list of accompanying documents, and there are no other documents concerning these issues, so no other documents can possibly be provided. Documents that the ECHR representative allegedly could not find are clearly listed in application form, section I, list of accompanying documents, as well as on the annex to application form, that is, item number 10, decision refusing to initiate an investigation dated April 14, 2014. Item number 34, complaint for infringement of a party's right to hear the case in preparatory criminal proceedings without undue delay, filed on June 5, 2018. Item 36, court's decision regarding the complaint for infringement of a party's right to hear the case in preparatory criminal proceedings without undue delay, along with confirmation of delivery of that decision on November 22, 2018. Item 37, medical negligence lawsuit, along with case number assigned to that lawsuit. So just to emphasize, if this is not clear yet, package with all relevant documentation sent to the ECHR, European Court of Human Rights, was tampered with. Documents were removed from that package, then decision issued claiming that because those same documents are missing, complaint is inadmissible. The complaint I filed with the ECHR concerns Jus Cogens crimes, performing medical procedure scientific experimentation without consent, and the subsequent 5+ year long cover-up of this crime, result of which is permanent bodily injury, and invokes Articles 2, right to life, 3, prohibition of torture and inhuman or degrading treatment, and 6, right to fair trial, of the European Convention on Human Rights. Since no other documents concerning the specific matters which ECHR raised in their letter dated June 20, 2019 exist, except those I listed in section I, list of accompanying documents, and included in the package, it is evident that the package addressed strictly to the ECHR was tampered with, and documentation contained in it deliberately removed, rendering my complaint inadmissible. Aside from the fact that hiding information, destroying documentation reaffirms the allegations contained in that complaint, it is also apparent that the perpetrators want to continue to act with impunity. Tampering with documentation, destroying documentation, and through such means preventing me from exercising my rights and seeking redress and compensation for damages I suffered are serious crimes on their own. This is not the first time documentation concerning these crimes filed by me in courts and prosecution cases is being removed or destroyed. More information can be found at the following websites, full versions of all documents mentioned in this presentation at not.surgery/echr-2019-05. Complete set of photographs along with original EXIF metadata depicting contents of the package at not.surgery/ECHR-complaint-2019-05-package-contents. At corroborating documentation can be downloaded from not.surgery/documentation, and chronology of events from year 2013 can be downloaded from not.surgery/chronology. If you're aware enough to know that these same mob-like tactics can be used against you to destroy your life, to kill you, you can help in many different ways. You can support my Indiegogo fundraising campaign. You can support me via Patreon. You can share this presentation as well as information published at not.surgery, or you can check other ways to help at not.surgery/help. Thank you.